Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It's Saturday morning, February 1st at Saturday afternoon, 1:25, February 1st, 2025. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Oh, yeah. I tried to charge my watch, but apparently one of the chargers I had that I was working with wasn't powerful enough. Yeah. Apparently things are requiring more power. Yeah. It's kind of like with my little iPad. I can use the one that they sent me, or I have to use one of my better ones. Because some of my older, cheaper ones are just not standing up to it. Those things are going to have to go. Uh, yeah, all these new things. A little magnetic puck charger. I didn't even know they had that going on. Uh, New territory, new stuff. And my coworker accuses me of not being up for change. Maybe not, but uh, yeah, change can be interesting. Yeah, I started this channel and, uh, well, second time now I've had somebody that, oh, you're that YouTube guy. I'm not sure how to respond to that. Yeah, okay. Had a good conversation, both of them, and even scratched the puppy's ears. But yeah, caught me kind of off guard there, but yeah. New territory, learning new stuff. It is what it is. But that's okay. It's if you don't learn, you stagnate, and if you're stagnant, you die. At least that's how I see it. So I'm trying to. I'm going to try to take it actually get to bed on time and give this thing a shot at a full 8 hours and see how I sleep. And yeah, supposed to be keeping track of my heartbeat, which is good, I guess. Blood oxygen level is supposed to be able to do it, but they've deactivated it or killed the app or something. Said I'm supposed to look in my iPhone. Haven't got that far yet. Yeah. After having to spend a couple of hours on tech support with Apple, yeah, yesterday kind of wiped me out. Uh, New territory. Trying to get all these things to work together. They're working now. Yeah. And I still have my little Chewy. I actually showed it to the guy there and showed him. Haven't even put it's sitting there at the. Let's log in and say where are you? Uh, United States, right? Yeah, because I haven't even got past that point. I'm not even sure I want to with the Chewy. It's part of me just wants to toss it in the middle of the road, let a truck run it over. But it would be worth more than that, so I probably shouldn't do that. Yeah, but that thing is definitely not my idea of a good computer. Um, and I'm trying to learn this Mac Mini, and now I've got the iPad to work with, and I've been learning on the iPhone. It's an upgrade from a 7. Uh, yeah, I've slowly immigrated and migrated. Uh, I've gone crazy. Anyway, it is what it is. Uh, don't know about y'all, but Yeah, learning is kind of important. Uh, Stressing out with tech support isn't my idea of a great day, but it was a learning experience, and I did learn some things. And hey, that's always a good thing. Learning is. I need to take and learn more. I get to need to be more open. And don't get me wrong, I can look back across my life and see some major changes where I jumped from one spot to another and my life changed. Uh, it's part of what me getting over to the Philippines is about. Is another change in life, trying to build it up and make it better and have fun doing it. Yeah, I don't intend on, being a bump on log over there. Don't get me wrong, I kind of hunkered down, put the nose to the grindstone, and ignored a lot of stuff for a while. But I was in get it done mode. And I was going along getting things done. And then Mother Nature decided to rattle my cage and had a ride to the hospital. And, well, I blew out my rotator cuff about a year and a half before that, 2 years before that. Then had my ride to the hospital, and now I'm back to actually being active and doing things again. And yeah, it's a bit of a change in my life. The girl at work thinks I don't like, well, I don't like change, especially just for the sake just for the sake of changing something. I don't like it. If it can improve or make it better, I can tolerate it till I get used to it. But, well, if it makes it worse, yeah, I don't need that. There's some areas where it's kind of gray that I can work with. It's does it have to be a star pattern for the plate setting up, or can you just make it two rows? You know, I don't know. It's one of those things. Anyway, this is going to be a fairly short one because I'm actually kind of tired between yesterday and tech support, and then when I finally got to sleep, it wasn't near enough. Then getting up and had a fairly active night. Even though it was a fairly slow night, I was fairly active. And yeah. And then I smacked my elbow twice because somebody rearranged tables. Yeah, change for the sake of change. Fun stuff. Uh, Hopefully, she's got her nest rearranging syndrome out of the way for a little while. Yeah, it's interesting. Uh, I've I've seen it happen a few times, and I'm kind of used to it. I kind of expect it, and it's like she did all the painting, the rest of the painting on Wednesday, and she could have done it all on Wednesday, but she had to do some on Monday and Tuesday, I think, just to torture me. And then she wonders why. Oh, when she comes in this morning, she says, "See, it doesn't smell." I says, "Yes, it does, because the paint's still there. I still smell it. It's still off gassing. She doesn't smell it. I do." But at least she got it all done before I had to, while I wasn't there every night, just most of them. Uh, it could have been worse. Kind of. I knew the chairs did need a new paint job, so I knew that one was coming. Didn't mean I liked it, but the chairs actually look pretty good. I'm okay with that. Yay. Anyway, I had to order a charging stand and another puck because, well, need I need a place to charge things, and I don't want to have to tote them around every 5 times I turn around. I don't want to have to be going and finding it and bringing it here. I just rather have one for here, one for there, and be okay with it. Besides, $8. Oh, the world came to a screeching halt. $8 was spent. Yeah, if I was going to come to a screeching halt, that iPad would have did it, or the Mac Mini would have did it. But yes, I do need to get used to the idea of newer and more modern things. It's kind of like with the old, the first micro port they put out. They still have those on some things. And then it's kind of like with this lightning port on the bottom of phones. Why? Because Apple likes to keep their things their things. Or, yeah, whatever that port is. Needless to say, I got to get a few new things and get them taken care of. I'm okay with that. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. I'm going to call it. Y'all have a good, blessed weekend. And may there be lots of friends, food, and family, and more food. I think I'm 100 or 242. Yeah, subscribers right now, or 241, something like that. I lost a couple. Anyway, if you want to come along for the ride, please come along for the talk, the walk, the insanity of my insanity, or whatever you want to call it, the log of the day. Anyway, Williams, Philippines, I'm Fish, and hey, later blessings, bye-bye. Fish is out.